Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna go over the Kaspa in general, hash rate, the price, and the mining possibility. It seems like it's the mining with the regular machines is pretty much over. So if we look at the network hash rate, it's been increasing like crazy for the last few months, almost doubling every month, right? So pretty close to double. And also we could see how quickly the hash rate going up, but the price of Kaspa been holding up for a longest time. Not for longest time, but per 3-4 months it's been pretty much stable. They're a little bit increasing to 17 cents, dropping to 16, then 17 again, been over 18, 19 cents a few times, but anyways, overall it's pretty stable. Now let's check it out what Iceriver did. I don't know, I just noticed today. I don't know if they did it a few days ago or just recently, but take a look at the Iceriver Kaspa price, Iceriver Asic pricing. You could see now the KS0 Ultra now 129. Obviously you'll pay shipping another $50, but with the coupon cost 2.5%, you can get this thing for 180 now. This is just insane. Delivered. Look at the Iceriver KS5L, $2,000 plus 250 shipping, right, with the discount a little bit. So there is a potential customs here in these two big guys, but it's the price drop is pretty significant, I think. If you take a look what it was just my last video, it was, so it's another drop, like almost I don't know, let's take a look. How much was it? All right, so this is when I started my previous video. So the price was 7,400 and 4,700 and it was all sold out, and then I refreshed and it happens that actual prices already so 47 from 74 and 47 it went down to I believe 30 let's see what is it there. Okay, for 239.99, and now it's the half price, so it's 199, right? 1,999. And then Iceriver KS3M from 699 it went down to 32.99, so it's more than a half for KS5M. Obviously it's not the direct price, is the October batch, which means by October, end of October, we're gonna see a crazy network hash rate with KS5M now moving on the market like crazy. So this thing will probably be no longer profitable by that time if Kaspa price will not appreciate. So there are a huge risk on that order, so you guys have to take your own calculations in that, but I believe it's pretty much we are done with the Kaspa race here. It's almost like a GENNEL, where we don't know how the price of Kaspa will adjust. If that appreciates a lot, there potentially this unit may have a little bit of value, but we don't know. I mean, I can't recommend this anymore, so you do have to take your own calculation, your risk, your research, and if you believe in Kaspa, but I don't think it makes sense because you won't be able to mine this $2,000 in Kaspa in that after October, because it will be such a low rewards, right? So let's take a look. As of today, I am mining with the KS5M only 128, and then it's 100 with the KS5L Kaspa a day, which is pretty much almost to the bottom, just barely covering the cost of my electric. I'm just making $7 there and $2 here, so it is a lot higher. In my opinion, you get same amount on $800 investment where you can get on the KS3M, but by October this is not going to be longer even that. It's going to be a lot less, where AL0 also gonna probably drop by 10 times very quickly by October. So again, two of these miners, the end of, like August or September 10th, they're still risky because there are potentially the network hash rate gonna increase so quickly, but it just makes a crazy thing with the pricing adjustment so quickly. I think they just Iceriver doing a quick move there, trying to get rid of their Asics that they produce, and that's probably a smart move because they need to sell it all out before it's too late. It will be a paperweight probably very quickly. Anyways, just wanna throw it out, that update. If you guys didn't see this price decrease, it's if you still were thinking to buy, if you recently ordered, well, you could potentially save $2,000. I don't think you're gonna mine 2,000 worth of $2,000 Kaspa. If you ordered one for 4,000 until October, right? So what is it? Let's say you get it by end of October. That's the August, so September, October, 2 months. In 2 months, barely gonna make probably 2,000 Kaspa a month. So 4,000 Kaspa. Let's do just quick calculation here, as based on the price of Kaspa right now, and it is, what is it, like 16.9? Let's say 16.5 cents, right? Just let's round up where it's hovering. So 16 cents and a half, and we're gonna multiply. If you're lucky, you can probably get 4,000 Kaspa in the last 2 months, because you're probably gonna get 2,300 in the next month, and maybe only 1,700 Kaspa in the following October, if you're lucky with the hash network increasing. So you're only gonna make $660. So definitely it makes sense buying for 1,900 in 2 months than paying 4,000 right now. So definitely that's the price you're gonna get. I mean, the Kaspa back, $660. So it's better to spend on the Kaspa itself, buy Kaspa for that difference, for that $2,000. You'll be a lot in the better shape if you believe in Kaspa. So that's just my thought on it. And obviously, unfortunately, looks like the Kaspa mining is pretty much it's gonna be gone by October. I don't know. That's how it feels with the network hash rate. And what I was talking about, it's gonna increase the network hash rate, gonna go above 1 exahash by end of September, but I think it's gonna be sooner, by mid of September. I think I told before, but it looks like we may gonna see that with KS5s just in another few days, 3-5 days maybe. We'll see 1 exahash already on the Kaspa network. That's crazy. So what am I doing? I'm shutting down so obviously KS3M is not profitable, and KS3 also became not profitable for my power rate, so I need to shut those down. And I'm gonna do a little bit of Bagna mining with my KS3s for a little bit. I mean, the price of Bagna been bumped a little bit, then dropped a little bit, but it's more like a spec mining there. So that's my thinking here. I'll probably stick with Bagna. My goal is to get back 500 million Bagna maybe, and just keep it, just a little bag of it, right? I was thinking 1 billion, but it's just too much of a stress, right now. I mean, I could have bought it probably just 3 weeks ago when it was so cheap. But anyways, not financial advice, it's just my little thinking here. It's a very speculative coin to mine there, and Cedra, but Cedra I kind of didn't get much because I purchased that and it dropped pretty much 10 times lower now. Anyways, that's where I stand with the mining, and hopefully AL0 not gonna kill, I mean not AL0, AL1s and all that, not gonna kill a lithium mining, because that's what everybody's kind of getting right now. And let's take a look at the lithium network hash rate increase just for the last day is it's already 1 petahash. This is crazy. So it's not even AL1, not even on the network. Look what we've got in 2 days, 1 petahash increase. So let's do a quick calculation here. on this 1 petahash, guys. It's the 1000 terahash. Let's divide to 0.4. So that's 0.4 terahash for each miner. So 2500 AL0 potentially hit the network just within the last 2 days. At least 2500. That's just crazy amount of miners purchase those little devices. So imagine when the AL1 gonna come in with the 16 terahash. That's just gonna kill entire. It will go to probably 100 petahash just in the months. So it's not gonna be a doubling anymore. It's gonna be probably 20 times a month of the network hash rate, if not more, like what we saw in Kaspa. So looks like it's the similar start, even crazier. Look at that. Look at that peak just in one day. It's peaked to 6 petahash. What? It's not even 4, it's 6 petahash. I don't know how many machines, guys, it's hitting the network right now, but it seemed that a lithium profitability gonna go quickly down. Not sure why it's showing 4.3 average here when we are at 6 petahash here. Yeah, so we'll have to see how we're gonna end up doing with the lithium, because it's the rewards. Let's take a look at hash rate data now for. Let's just look at the lithium right now. What happened? It was $8 roughly, right? For Iceriver ELO. Yeah, so it's 656 from $8 at my electric, but it's dropping, guys, already quite a bit, quite a lot. It was just supposed to be 8, so by $1.50 just in a few days, the profitability dropping down even quicker now than KS3M. So, but these two miners, they're pretty close. Where the most profitable still the AL1 gonna be Pro, which is 16. Is it 16 terahash? I believe so. Why did they call it AL? Yeah, 16.6 terahash, and that's like 165 a day already. So it was just recently 100 profits, 149. Oh, gee, so that's how quickly. So 24 hours average. We looked at the wrong actually area. Let's go back, guys. So goodness, we changed that to 356. I'm sorry. So from $6 average, it's already 356 a day. So it's $4 revenue a day, and the profit's 356. This is insane. This is just a half, 50% down already on the rewards. It was just $8 a few days ago. I think, I don't know. I don't take my word for it, but it just seems to be impossible. How is that going? Look, $3.99 already. Okay, so now KS3M is $7.79 still, and profits after my power, of course. Now let's take a look at the Pro, 165 from 290. Yeah, so it is 50% drop in all lithium miners already. So by the time this all gonna get delivered, and they start delivering probably in a week or two, which means we're gonna see this number go down very, very quickly by probably another at least 2 or 3 times lower. So we'll see that number goes $50 probably just in a week. That's what I think. We'll see. I can't predict that because it's a quick change there right now. So anyways, hopefully you're doing the right decision. This is very risky units for the price. I mean, for the expense. When you spend for AL0, which I purchased one, it's like it's $800. Okay, well, you lose $800. It's not $30,000, right? So yeah, be very careful when you shop for these big miners. Obviously, it's a high profit, but before you're gonna get this, it's gonna drop very, very quickly, in my opinion. Anyways, guys, that's it for the update here. Just want to show you that what's happening with the Iceriver. So I don't know if AL1's gonna drop their price, because the Iceriver not dropping their price for a ALF, you know, miner for AL0, which means there are people still buying it. The 2,500 units being just delivered, and probably another 25 on the way. So that's not bad, you know. Like, let's say they sold just 5,000 units for $800. $800 times 5,000 units. It's yeah, they sold $4 million worth of aluminum and some chips. That's crazy. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next one.